Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Instagram scheduling tools with Canva for brand posts, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Instagram scheduling tools with Canva for your brand posts, begin by logging into your Canva account. Once logged in, navigate to the Content Planners section found on the left sidebar. Click on Connect your Instagram to initiate the connection process. You will be prompted to authorize Canva to access your Instagram account. Follow the on-screen instructions to log into Instagram and provide the necessary permissions. After authorization, return to the Content Planner in Canva. Create a new design for your Instagram post by selecting a template or starting from scratch. Customize your design with images, text, and branding elements. Once you are satisfied with your design, click on the Schedule button located in the top right corner. Select the date and time when you want your post to be published on Instagram. Confirm that your Instagram account is selected for the scheduled post. Make any final adjustments to the caption or hashtags for your post. Click Schedule Post to finalize the settings. You will receive a confirmation that your post has been scheduled successfully. To view all your scheduled posts, return to the Content Planner. Here, you can see an overview of your upcoming posts and make edits if necessary. That's it. Your Instagram post is now ready to be published at the chosen time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.